this video, I'm going to teach you one technique of how you can write a better sentence. We always say that we have to write a good sentence, but how do I do so? Wanna know the secret? It's already shown in the title.
You saw two sentences in the beginning. What did I change? That's right, I changed it right to improve. When you use the word improve, it automatically adds the meaning of become better.
So when you have the appropriate verbs in your sentence, you are going to make your sentence express better ideas and clear ideas as well.
Today, we're going to use the verb run to show how to substitute the right verbs for it. The first sentence that we're going to look at is that I ran to the store to get some candy.
Now, I'm going to change ran to dashed. Now the sentence reads, I dashed to the store to get the last candy. Why is that a better sentence?
By using dash in the sentence, you're adding the meaning of running in a great hurry. If you want to get the last candy, then you're gonna have to hurry. So I think using dash would make perfect sense rather than using run. The next sentence is the thieves ran downstairs. I'm going to change ran to bolted.
Now the sentence reads, the thieves bolted down the stairs and out the door. Now, why is that the better sentence?
Since bolt means run away suddenly, the thieves bolted down the stairs means that the thieves ran away suddenly down the stairs. Now we can get the clearer sense of the situation. The last sentence that we're gonna look at is the runner ran across the field. Now, I'm going to change the verb ran to sprinted.
Now the sentence reads, the runner sprinted across the field. Why is that the better sentence?
Sprint means run at full speed. So when we say the runner sprinted across the field, the sentence means that the runner ran at full speed. So we learned today that we have to choose the right verbs to make a better sentence.
We learned the first secret of writing a better sentence today. Remember, a right verb can upgrade your sentence to another level. If you need more examples of the verbs, I'm going to upload more videos with examples, so be sure to check those out too. Alright, I'm going to see you guys in other videos.